Developing a SolidWorks programming application is a hardball play if your laptop configurations are not up to mark, because it is required for designing a wide array of applications associated with planning, visual, edition, modeling, prototyping, etc. If your laptop configurations are not meeting the requirement to run the application, you have to bite the bullet and abandon the thought of developing a software based on SolidWorks application on your laptop. While conducting the research work, we realized a few technical facts associated with laptops. First, be it an ordinary designing application or a CAD application that you're planning to run on your laptop, you need good graphics memory and flash memory. Number 1. Razer Blade 15 Laptop. It's quite worthy of reaching the extra mile by raising your budget for buying a laptop from Razer Blade 15 with a 6-core 10th generation processor. In addition, the turbo clock processor memory quickly speeds up the calculations you need to perform for the SolidWorks application. The GPU accelerated inbuilt 8GB GeForce additionally RTX 2070 GPU memory is something that you might love if you're fanatic about intense gaming sessions. The Max-Q quality tunes up the graphics level when it comes to mechatronics and CAD program software applications. So if you're planning to build a program application based on the 3D effect, this laptop must be on your preference list. As it has a 144Hz full display maintaining the sRGB color up to 100%. The CNC durable aluminum single body is just 0.78 inches thin. One such technical specification makes it easy to carry. That turns it portable in comparison to other heavyweight laptops. Number 2. Asus ROG Zephyrus S. Looking for a laptop that's suitable for intense gaming sessions as well as for running SolidWorks applications? The name of Asus must be on the top of your buying list then. The Asus ROG Zephyrus S is known for its enhanced technical features. By choosing Asus ROG Zephyrus S, you can easily say adieu to such technical problems easily. The Core i7 8th Gen hexa-core processor is quite matchless in front of other same-generation processors. Not every laptop manufacturing brand can provide such a super-fast processor to you on this budget. Apart from the processor, its NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1078GB graphics memory easily evades the system from crashing. It has an option for simulations with more than 500 parts separately. The smart auto adjustment of the fan speed on the basis of the usage of your RAM memory condenses your laptop easily. Furthermore, the ultra-smart audio effect of the laptop from the forefront dual speakers is another added advantage of this laptop. With the 178 wide-angle display, 144Hz display, with high refresh rates, you always expect sharper visuals to identify solar quality's actual resolution. At the same time, gaming or assembling different parts of CAD or SolidWorks-based application. Number 3. DELL G5 15 Laptop. Tired of seeing the .exe file crash after clicking the application file on your present laptop? You're playing hardball then if you're thinking of using the same system for building a program based on SolidWorks software. Are you looking for one such laptop that comes with all these features? Then, the name of DELL G5 15 must be on the top of your preference list. The advanced Core i7 9th Gen processor has integrated 4GB RAM graphics memory for running heavy .exe file applications. Apart from 2D and 3D programs, the laptop is smart for running CAD, Fusion 360, and other applications. If you're a fanatic about playing games, then this one is a smart addition to your gaming needs. The dual fan cools down the processor quickly, irrespective of the heavy game files you download in it. The additional inbuilt 4GB graphics memory runs game files smoothly. Wait. That's not all. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics render support for running diverse CAD applications too. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad L340 Laptop. How often have you seen your machine getting stuck while playing a heavy graphics-consuming computer game or while running a CAD or Photoshop editing application? If it's a common scenario in your laptop, then investing in Lenovo IdeaPad L340 with Core i5 9th Gen processor is worthy indeed. That's why we added this particular model from Lenovo to our list. Apart from 3D and 2D drawing, the product has a smart 8MB cache clearing capacity. With one such capacity speeding up, your calculations turn significantly easier. The laptop is best known for unlimited and intense gaming sessions. If you're a fanatic about online gaming, then this laptop is a perfect addition to your gaming accessory collection. The integrated 4GB video RAM with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU memory coordinates with your hexa-core Core i7 chipset while running a heavy application. Be it a 2D, 3D modeling, or any other CAD-based program application you're running, The performance always remains smooth. The turbo speed clock guarantees every data file right after an instant click. The Dolby audio sound system always gives a feel and thrill of an action-packed game during intense gaming. Such sound effects are a perfect choice to test your SolidWorks mechatronics-based application. The sound effect is no less than any theater amplifier to assure you a realistic audio effect. Number 5. Asus TUF FX505DT Laptop. If your budget is under $1,000, this one fits easily in it. Moreover, the Asus TUF gaming laptop is smart to allow such graphics-related work that requires high GPU memory. The 4GB GPU from NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 is an added complement along with added 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD storage capacity. The relevant productivity of Asus has been critically acclaimed by some of the leading corporations associated with the animation and gaming industry. If it's a laptop that you're looking for unlimited gaming and for running CAD-based program applications, then this one is an addition to your buying list. A processor is a superb option for building single-threaded mechanical and electrical components. Right from downloading those heavy exe files, installing those, burning them if needed from a third-party site, and then running them, the process runs smoothly. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU is smart for fetching those heavy software application files after installation. If you really like this video, then subscribing to the channel will lovely for us. Also don't forget to comment your opinion down below. Tell us in comments if we can help you by suggesting something. That was the video for today. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.